is Spanky, Squirrel, and the mom back there. We're on our way to Michigan to go see my cousin, to take him the tassel, and to give him the donation money. And this will be added to other videos. I'll try and get a video or just pictures of us with him. Until then, I will see you later. Bye!
Bye.
Guys, we are in Michigan. There's the sign that said, "Welcome to Pier, Michigan." About an hour and a half or so away. So, yeah. I got my shades on. The sun's out. No snow on the ground yet. And there we are. Pier, Michigan. Woo! I'm ready. So we're driving.
Cruising along.
Cruising. Mom's back there on her phone. See you guys when we get there. Hey guys, it's Spanky again, and we are just stopped at the grocery store near where my cousin lives, and we just picked up the card, and there's the card, and it says "Love Spanky and her crafting family." You guys can see it right there. We go. So yeah, so we're almost on our way there now, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, it's Spanky, and we are in Otsego, Michigan, and I'm with my family. And this is my cousin John, his two boys, and my cousin Jenny, and my uncle, his father. And you guys met Mom earlier. Okay, so I didn't know actually.
They didn't know how to use it. I don't even know how to use mine.
This is the tassel that for $275, and it was $3.
Beautiful.
You can hang it in the car or wherever. It's kind of girly, but
You know what? That represents David's breast cancer.
I got a whole
isn't it pretty? And that's from my crafting family. Cream
And me.
and Mom. Come here. Here, I got one.
And if they segregated already.
Oh, sorry.
They're on that side of the table before you. They already made it.
You boys want to go put some money in the wishing well?
Do you want to throw some in the fountain?
Yeah. Do it.
You want to do it? Alright guys, that's enough waterworks for now, so I'll catch you later. Hey guys, it's Spanky. Now that my makeup's run off from all the tears, I want to say thank you to all of you for the donations, and my cousin is beyond grateful. Like, I can't even explain it. We just left my uncle's house with him and the boys and my cousin, and it was good. We had a great time.
He was speechless.
He was speechless, and we had some laughs and some tears, and yes, so from my family to yours, you guys, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. Bye.